there must be one of the steepest roads in Ilfracombe. I certainly don't miss coming up and down this road with a pram. Whew, that was hard work. This is a little lane called Cow Lane, and this is one of the little routes that I take daily to go to and from work. Well, actually, not so much from work, I tend to go another way, but today for the video's purpose I thought I'd come this direction. It's quite a nice little place. I don't ever feel unsafe here, and there's a lovely little allotment just along here where you can go in and, you know, either plant your own stuff or just go and enjoy, you know, a bit of nature. Watch how other people's plants are progressing, learn a few bits about how they plant their seeds and so on. I was having a very interesting conversation with a lovely lady I met just a couple of days ago. She was incredibly friendly. In fact, she approached me and asked me if I'd like to come and join her. So I thought, well, maybe she's a little old lady feeling a bit lonely. So I did just that and made myself the most wonderful little friend. She's such a little sweet pea. Although her little dog is not so sweet. He's either very territorial or he just doesn't like me. I just don't know what it is. Most animals do like me. But this vicious little bugger, wow, different story. I don't quite know what his problem is. But we'll have to have a talk. Maybe I'll try and entice him with some treats next time. That normally does the job. Who's this beautiful little thing? Hey, gorgeous. Hey, beautiful. Oh, that's a nice surprise. And just at the bottom here, we'll be back on the high street in just one moment. Excuse the camera going up and down. I'm not using my pocket free today. It's actually at home on charge, so having to rely on good old iPhone. Yeah, my little iPhone never lets me down. Must have had it a good 3-4 years now. Still going strong. And as I said, that's one end of the high street, guys. And this is the other part. So I need to pop into one of the shops along here, grab a few bits, keep the little one occupied after she comes home from school. It's likely to misbehave, keeping her busy. Butchers here. Love this shop here. Right guys, so we are just approaching 4th Street, which is the oldest street in Ilfracombe, which also is home to the oldest pub in Ilfracombe, so which you will see shortly. Who wouldn't love living in a place like this with views like that? And this place is just beautiful. This place here is the most fabulous little Spanish restaurant. Food is fantastic. Tapas, that's the word I was looking for, guys. Sorry, sometimes the words just aren't there. Apparently it comes with age. And we are fast approaching the oldest pub in Ilfracombe. And when we get around the corner, you'll see some amazing artwork on the side of one of the pubs here. It's, well, I won't tell you what it is, I'll let you see for yourself. And here we are guys, if you look on your right, I'm just approaching the pub now. It's the white building we're coming up to. Such a lovely little pub as well. It's quite diddy inside, but hopefully we can get a full. So 1360 this pub was founded. Quite impressive, isn't it? It's a lovely place. And just to the left here is the Ilfracombe Harbour, which is a lovely little spot, especially of an evening time. It's all lit up and it's wonderful. I love being by the sea. And we are approaching the harbour now. Oh yes guys, this pub I was telling you about. Check the artwork out on this. Stunning, isn't it? See my little selfie stick in the shadow there. I don't think I've taken you up this little way before, guys. This is a really nice little spot when you just want a bit of peace and quiet. You don't want to be harassed. This is also the way to Rapparee Beach. So if you guys take a look through my videos, you'll be able to see that video there. This is a Royal Britannia pub, stroke hotel, lovely place. And this is the Harbour Beach, which we still have some access to. So this is nice. Very famous chip shop here, Maddie's. Very nice food. Just in case you guys are wondering, all you backpackers, there is an Ocean Backpackers Youth Hostel here. I haven't stayed there personally, so I can't tell you what it's like, but I could quite easily schedule myself in for the evening and give you guys a review. Let me know what you think in the comments, or if there's anything in your Ilfracombe area you'd like to see, then again pop it in the comments and we'll see what we can do. So I'm currently just walking up from the harbour, going up to the seafront. Sorry about the noise there. Motorbikes are so loud. This is a lovely little church here. See if we can get a better view from around here. This is just gorgeous. Some tea rooms over there. A couple of nice pubs. A hill over there. There's Weatherspoons over there. Ahead you see them domed buildings. That is a part of theatre, good landmark theatre. Sorry, just struggling to remember the name then. There's a couple of lovely little shops along here. There's a wonderful little place called Dolly's Kitchen or something like that. And they have the most beautiful scones and tea and coffee and all sorts of delicious things. It's wonderful. Nice art gallery here. There's a chip shop which I don't think is any longer open, which is a shame. I found it was one of the best in the area.